Keeping your car's paint smooth and flawless requires more than just washing. It needs deep cleaning with a clay bar. Thankfully, here are some methods to clay bar your car properly. Use a high-quality car wash soap and rinse your car to remove loose dirt and grime. Dry the car with a microfiber towel before claying. Then cut the clay bar into smaller pieces, usually 2 to 4 pieces. Knead one piece into a flat, disc-like shape to make it easy to handle. Then spray the clay lubricant generously on a small section of the car. Never use a clay bar on a dry surface, as it can scratch the paint. Then gently glide the clay bar back and forth with light pressure. You will feel the clay picking up contaminants. Keep going until it moves smoothly. Use a clean microfiber towel to wipe off any excess lubricant. Move to the next section and repeat the process. At the end, apply wax or sealant to protect the freshly cleaned surface. Clay bars helps avoid long-term paint damage caused by contaminants that could cause oxidation, staining, or corrosion. Premium-grade clay bars deeply clean by removing embedded contaminants like dirt and sap, leaving your car's paint smooth and flawless. Firstly, wash your car properly with fresh water. Then apply clay lubricant generously onto the surface. Then break off the clay bar in small pieces and give it a shape with your hands. Then clay the surface in up and down or side-to-side motion. After this process, rinse your car properly and dry it up with microfiber towel. Then repeat the same process on all over the car surface, until you get clean and smooth surface. Then put some wax on an applicator and apply it on your car's interior. The clay bar kit deep cleans by removing embedded debris, preventing paint damage, and extending your car's lifespan. Mother's California Gold Clay Bar is a powerful solution for removing embedded contaminants like dirt and tree sap that regular washing cannot eliminate. To use the Mother's California Gold Clay Bar system, first wash and dry your car thoroughly to remove loose dirt. Spray the included instant detailer onto a small section of the paint to act as a lubricant, then gently glide the clay bar over the surface using light pressure. As the bar picks up contaminants, fold and knead it to expose a clean surface. Repeat the process section by section until the entire car is smooth. Finally, wipe off any residue with a microfiber towel and apply wax or polish for a deep, glossy finish. It restores a smooth, glassy finish to the paint, enhancing shine and allowing wax or polish to adhere better. So a clay bar keeps your car's paint smooth, clean, and protected. Follow these steps for a flawless, professional finish every time.